Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm looking at the other features of the Vsub, which is the add caption. That is auto caption a video. That means you already have a video and you need an auto caption using the Vsub software. Personally, I don't think I would like to use add caption from Vsub because I will be using Capcut or other editor software to add a caption, and we can do more editing over there. But in any case, I will just show you the feature since we are on the Vsub. So I'll just show you. So basically we will upload our video over here. So with that, I actually have two videos that I created early on using Vsub. One is a vertical one.
The Phantom of Broadway, in the heart of New York City.
So in this particular video, I've taken out all the caption. So I just want to see how it turned out. And I also have a horizontal video.
The Phantom of Broadway, in the heart of...
Okay, this particular horizontal video, I did not take out the caption. But let's just see if I can import this into the Vsub. So if I can import, that means the Vsub will be able to do the horizontal and the vertical video for auto caption. So it's generating the subtitle and it say that it need about 5 minutes. So let me pause the video and come back when it is done. Oh, in fact, it is less than 5 minutes. I think it take only about 1 minute. Let's just preview a little bit.
The Phantom of Broadway, in the heart of New York City.
Okay,
There's a place...
the top part here is actually by the original video itself. So this part here is the caption that is generated, which is a yellow color one. Of course, you can always customize the style, change the color, add the music, the tools. But basically, this is how you generate the auto caption. So that means this can be done using horizontal or vertical. So now let me go back and we are going to add a caption, and I'm going to do the vertical one because vertical one I have no caption inside, so it'll be easier because this is the vertical one.
The Phantom of Broadway, in the heart of New York City. There's a place where time...
So that will be easier for us to actually see the caption generated by the Vsub. So although it say 5 minutes, but early on testing I have seen that it take less than 1 minute. So let me just wait for it, or let us just wait for it. I'm not going to pause the video here so you can see how fast or how slow does it take to generate the caption on the existing video. That is done. So it takes less than a minute. So we can see from here. This is the caption over here. And
The Phantom of Broadway, in the heart of New York City. There's a place where time bends and whispers linger. A place where the bright lights of Broadway hide a darker...
okay, so it is done. You can customize everything like I say. So I'm going to click on download. And I'll be downloading this. This is the add caption of the Vsub feature that you can use, which I probably won't be using it because I prefer to use Capcut or some other editing software if I need to add a caption. But to complete the tutorial on Vsub, then I'm just showing you all the feature that Vsub have. And for this, I think the rendering will also take less than a minute. It should be quite fast. So far, I've not paused the video. Okay, now it is done. So this video is actually created using the AI video of Vsub. So now it's with the caption. I'll end the video here, but before I end, I will let you watch the whole video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.
The Phantom of Broadway. In the heart of New York City, there's a place where time bends and whispers linger. A place where the bright lights of Broadway hide a darker secret. Sound of footsteps echoing through a deserted alley, the hum of distant traffic. It was the year 1924 when a young actress, Violet Monroe, vanished without a trace. She was on the brink of stardom, until one fateful night, she stepped into a dark alley and was never seen again. Wind howls. A soft, eerie music box tune begins to play in the background. But some say she didn't leave. Some say Violet still haunts the theaters of Broadway, her spirit searching for a stage that never came. Late at night, when the lights dim and the city sleeps, she walks the empty halls of the theater, her footsteps echoing, waiting for her performance that never was. The sound of a door creaks open, followed by the slow shuffle of footsteps. And if you listen closely, just before the curtain falls, you might hear her voice, soft and distant, a haunting melody, longing for the spotlight she never got. The music box grows louder, then stops abruptly. Silence. So next time you're in New York, beware the theaters after dark, for some stars never leave the stage.